In this video, I am going to show you how to add YouTube video gallery in WordPress. So let's get started. First of all, you need to log into your WordPress dashboard, and from here we are going to click on plugins and then click on add new. And here we are going to search for YouTube video gallery. And we are going to install this second plugin, Embed Plus plugin for YouTube. So I will click on install now button. And now we are going to click on activate button. Once your plugin is activated, you will see a new section in your menu which is YouTube free. So just click on it. Now we are going to do settings for this plugin. At first we are going to do default settings. So from here just scroll down and I will uncheck this red progress bar, and then I will scroll down again. And then I will set responsive video sizing, and then I will check this radio box responsive for all YouTube videos, and then I will uncheck this one auto fit widget videos, and then I will check this one volume initialization. I will set it to 50% as a default. So I will scroll down. Just leave everything as it is, and then I will click on save changes. So now click on API key. So in order to add YouTube video gallery to our WordPress website, we need an YouTube API key. So now we are going to see how we can get a free YouTube API key so that we can use video gallery on our WordPress website. So in order to get an API key, just click on this link. And here they have put a complete blog post that will help you to get an API key for YouTube. But I am going to show you practically how you can do it. So just click on this link and it will take you to the Google account, console.cloud.google.com. If you have already created a project with Google Cloud Platform, this will show up like this one, like the mine one. So if you haven't created any project, then here you will see a new project button. So I will click on this button, and then I will click on new project. I will give it a name, and then I will click on create, and then I will click on select project. Now here we are going to search for YouTube, and then we are going to click on the first one, YouTube Data API version 3. And then we will click on enable. Now from the top, click on create credentials. Mine API is already selected. If it is not selected, just click on this drop down and then select this YouTube Data API version 3, and then click on public data and then click on next. So this is the API key that we are going to use on our plugin. So I will copy it from here, and then I will go back to my WordPress website dashboard, and then I will paste it here, and then I will click on save changes. Now I will click on OK. Now we are going to do settings for the galleries. So I will click on galleries. I will set the gallery page size to 10, and then I will set number of columns to 3. I will check this one, custom next previous text. So if you want a subscribe button on your gallery, just click check this one, and in this way it will show a subscribe button on your gallery. But for this purpose you will have to paste your channel URL here. So in this way you can also promote your YouTube channel on your WordPress website. So I will just uncheck this one. Now I am going to scroll down and then click on save changes. Then I will click on OK. That's it. We have successfully done all the settings for our plugin, and now we are going to see how we can add this gallery to our WordPress website pages and posts. So at first we are going to add this gallery to our WordPress website pages. So I will click on pages from the dashboard, and then I will click on add new, and also I will click on posts, and then I will click on add new. From the page, just click on this plus icon and then just click on YouTube wizard. If you do not see it here, just search for it and just click on this one, YouTube wizard, and then click on open wizard. And from here we can embed a single YouTube video, we can embed a playlist, and also we can embed a channel or live stream. So I want to embed my channel to my WordPress website, so I will click on embed a channel, and then I will copy my channel link from here and then I will paste it here, and then I will click on get channel, and then I will click on insert as gallery. So as you can see that our channel is now inserted as a gallery. So I will add a name here. I will add a name to the page, and then we will click on publish button. So in this way our YouTube video gallery will be added to our WordPress pages. So now let's see how we can add this to the WordPress post. So go to add new post section, and from here click on plus, and we are going to search for YouTube, and then we are going to click on YouTube wizard. Then we will click on open wizard. It's same like the WordPress pages, it's same like how we have added it to the WordPress pages. So this is how you can add a YouTube video gallery to your WordPress website. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe.